Hello, this is Alicia, one of the librarians at the State College of Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to look for articles in professional journals, specifically articles that are research studies. And we're going to use an example from the psychology databases. In order to do that, you have to start at the main library web page, which looks like this, and you can get here from the college website, from Canvas under library resources, or you can type in scf.edu/library. Once you're in our home page, I'm going to ask you to look for the tab that says Databases. If you're in a mobile device, this might be on a stacked menu, so you have to search for the tab that says Databases. Once you click on it, you'll come to this list. This lists all of the databases that the library has for many topics and many kinds of resources. If you pay attention in this page, there's no search box. So we cannot search for our article yet. First, we have to decide which database we're going to use and then search inside the database. So in today's example, we're looking for articles that are research studies in psychology. So there is a database that I'm going to show you that's called PsycArticles. To find that database, we can find it alphabetically by scrolling down, or you can select the initial. In this case, it's the silent P in psychology. So when you click on P, you'll find PsycArticles alphabetically. It says EBSCO, that is the company we get the database from, but as you can see, there are other databases that also are called EBSCO. So pay attention that you search the specific EBSCO database for this topic. We click in PsycArticles and we come to a search page. This search page allows you to put your topic on the search boxes, and then below you have a lot of filters that let you make your search more specific. But to not get confused, I'm going to show you a straightforward way to find scholarly articles. First, you have to put a topic, and you can put any topic you're searching for, like anxiety, depression, compulsive disorders, whatever your topic is. I'm going to use the example of anxiety, and you can also combine topics to make it a little bit more specific. So for example, we can make a search for anxiety and college students. Now, before you click search, I told you I was going to give you 2 tips to use in this case. From all of the filters that you find below, there are 2 that I want you to click. One is full text. This allows you to make sure that the results get articles that we have full access to. And then here's the most important one. When you click on this, you're only searching for scholarly peer-reviewed journals, which is what we need for our research study. So you click scholarly peer-reviewed journals, full text, you put your topic, and then you click search. You'll see that we get a lot of results. The results are in the main part of the page, and then on the left side we have the filter options again, and this lets you narrow down your results if you want to. But as you can see, we already clicked what we needed. So any of these articles are probably all research studies, and you can tell by looking. So let me click on one. If you click on the title, it just shows you more information about the article. If you click in full text, that opens the article for you. So I just opened an article on COVID-19 and its effects in college students. Most of these articles have a summary at the top that's called an abstract. If you read that abstract or summary, it shows that it's a research study conducted with students because it has the objective of the study, the methodology, the results, and conclusions or a discussion on the results. Those are sections that usually are present in research studies. And then you scroll down and you can read the article and you can see those specific sections that are part of research studies. Okay, so this is an example of an article you can use. When you're going to use the article, you have options here on the right side on what to do with it. You can print it, send it to your email. That's a good way of saving it. And then there's an option for citing. So I want to make sure you know, if you click in Cite, it gives you citations in many formats. So make sure to select the APA citation, and here you have the formatted citation for this particular article. Please pay attention. These citations that the database generates, they're not always correct. They tend to have mistakes a lot of times, so you need to check with your APA manual or guide or rules and make sure that the citation has been done properly. In this case, it looks good, but not always. So you can copy paste the citation and then make sure to correct it by checking on the APA guide or checking with your favorite librarian. We're always here to help you. If you cannot find these articles or if you need help with the citation, please reach out and ask one of your SCF librarians. Thank you.